Hello everyone. We are discussing about basic concept of chemistry. This topic is very important. In fundamental chemistry, the definition of all terms we need to remember very well. Do not forget. This is the lifeline. So we are starting from matter. Now, what is the matter? Matter is that anything has mass, occupies space, and anything has mass and occupies space called matter. Now, example, refrigerator in our room that has occupies space in the room, and we all know refrigerator has some mass. Now, first thing, matter divided into three parts. First one is state of matter. Second, classification of matter. Third one is property. We are discussing about these three topics, but in this lecture we are discussing about only state of matter. Now, matter has a actually matter actually divided in five states. One, solid. Second, liquid. Third, gas. Fourth, plasma. And fifth, Bose-Einstein condensate. But in syllabus only three states, solid, liquid and gas, are important as from syllabus. Now first we are discussing about solid, liquid and gas. Okay. Now, solid. In solid, particles are held very close to each other in orderly fashion. We can explain by example. That circle called particle. In this solid, there are particles arranged in orderly, and this is the closed arrangement. Particle cannot move, so there is no much freedom of movement for particle. Okay, particle has no much freedom of movement. Now second liquid. तो particle close to each other, but particle means they can move around. Particle can move around. Now example, some water in glass, and third one is gas. In this, particle are far apart as compound apart as compared liquid and solid state. Particles are far. Okay. In this state, particle can move easily and fast. Okay. Example, in the cylinder, or we can take a gas. Okay. Now we are differentiate more by volume and shape. First, for solid, volume is definite and shape also definite. We can define or identify shape of solid. Okay, like ice has a definite volume and definite shape. Okay. Now for liquid, volume is definite. Volume is definite, but shape not definite. Why? We take water in glass. We take water in pot. We take water in anything else. So its shape variable, but water has same amount. There is no difference, but its shape different is from it's depend on what we take into. For gas, volume is not definite and also shape not definite. This is the volume. Now you know about state of matter, everything. I explain everything and you can memorize easily. In daily routine, we observe how water convert into ice by help of refrigerator, and second thing, how liquid melt into solid at room temperature. From these example, we can understand that state of matter are convertible into another state. Now, for these conversion, we have specific term. This is the important to learn about these terms. So, gas, there are three states of matter: gas, solid, and third one is liquid. Now, when solid convert into liquid, what we say? Melting. When solid convert into liquid, we say melting. Now liquid convert into solid, we say freezing. When solid convert into gas, that called sublimation. But when gas convert into solid, that called deposition. When gas convert into liquid called condensation. And liquid convert into gas called evaporation. Here there are, you remember only three terms. First one is melting, solid convert into liquid, that's called melting. Second thing, liquid to gas called evaporation. And third one is solid to gas called sublimation. These three terms are most important for you: evaporation, sublimation, and melting.